Hey there! So during this time you may be focusing on recording, sharing your voice on Zoom happy hours, so fun, or singing live on Insta or Facebook. More than likely you are using a mic. So today I'm giving you 3 concepts to play with that will relax the voice and support you in getting the results you want. So let's dive right in. The positioning of the mic. Please be strategic when positioning the mic by bringing the mic to you. This is a simple fix that takes relatively no extra effort or gear, but this choice can really support you when you are singing. I am always talking to you about the importance of physical alignment when creating sound. I don't want you spending all this time in the practice room finding the best alignment only to put up that mic, get in front of people, and watch that beautiful alignment go out the door. So bring the mic to you. Oftentimes singers position the mic too far away from them and they stretch their neck out. I don't care how many people you see do that. This is a natural position for singing. We don't want the neck to turtle out. It just brings too much tension to the larynx, the neck, and the jaw. Bringing the mic to you allows the neck, the voice, the vocal mechanism, surrounding muscles in general to be more relaxed. More relaxed means more free and authentic sound for you. And I consider that a win-win for both you and your audience. Bringing the mic to you can also create a better foundation for breath as you're more grounded and sturdy in the lower and upper part of your body. So if you're singing while sitting, position that mic so you can move back from those high notes if you want to, pivoting from the core, right? Moving the hips and not the neck, okay? Put the mic in the best spot for you to sing the bulk of your songs, right? Most songs sit in the middle to low range, okay? But then we pop in for those high notes. Even if you're playing the guitar or piano, position the mic for your best vocal alignment. So let's say that you're standing, right? So we want to lean from those hips, from the legs, from the spine. Let the spine and the low body do its job to support your sound. And this even applies when you're playing the upright bass, the fiddle, the guitar, right? So even if there's 2 or 3 of you coming in on a mic and you're all going to sing together, practice the best singing alignment during rehearsal and then give your voice the support it needs while performing. Okay, so make bringing the mic a priority, please. All right, suggestion number 2, let me start by asking you a question. Could you sometimes, while singing, be using the mic and the sound system to mask, hide, or diminish some of your vocal inefficiencies? Check in with that just a little bit. Are you using the mic setup as a smoke and mirrors distraction to keep you from doing the deeper vocal work? I'm going to throw this analogy out there and see what you think. Think of the mic, the monitors, the soundboard settings, the speakers as a group of friends, okay? And you're asking for advice on how you're doing and if what you're doing is good. Let's say that when we look outward for feedback, we do that for 2 reasons. We're unsure of what we're doing, or we want to confirm that what we're doing is okay. When it comes to microphones, I want you to be in the latter group. I want you using your mic setup to confirm that your vocal technique is solid, that what you're feeling in your body, what you're practicing in as you work on your songs is landing out there because it's landing in here first and not the other way around. You see, if you are always looking outside for feedback because you're unsure of what's happening with your voice, you could actually end up making superficial or inaccurate vocal adjustments that end up undermining your voice and your artistry, and we don't want that. The relationship I have with my voice is a precious one. I too gather input or feedback from other sources. So my voice teacher, coaches, even the voice memo recording on my phone, microphones, monitors, doing studio work, but I practice the work without all of those things every day so I know exactly where and how I'm making my sound. I'm grounded in the authentic, organic singing technique first, and then I ask for feedback. Plus, think about this. In your performing lifetime, you will sing in hundreds of different spaces, work with different sound engineers, have various qualities of sound equipment. Your vocal technique cannot be at the whim of every location or technology involved. That will make you crazy. So take the time to develop good, solid vocal technique away from the mic. Okay, so a technique that allows you to sing a solid 2 octaves in a balanced way on pitch. Know what it feels like in your body to sing softly, to sing loudly in every shade in between. Know what it feels like to sing every note in your range for a long 8 beats. I mean, really hold it out. Sing quickly and know what happens to your instrument as you're agile to each note. Don't use microphones as a crutch. Like a friend, you know that friend that you bring the same relationship issues to again and again. They can't fix them. Only you can by doing the personal work. Know your voice so well that if the system goes down, you can go unplugged and still deliver a dynamic, vulnerable, powerful performance. You deserve to do that deep work, and your audience deserves it too. Okay, so suggestion number 3. In addition to choosing the best mic position and not using the mic as a crutch, here's an interesting idea. Don't send your voice into the mic. What? It's human nature that when we stick that mic in front of our face, whether we're singing or speaking, the mic becomes the focal point of where we think we should direct our sound. It's very distracting. So we lean in a bit more. We drive the air into the mic's direction a little bit more. We start to push the sound through the mic. Now this can cause the neck and throat muscles to tighten, which then affects your natural resonance and can create an unappealing tone and even discomfort when singing or speaking. So just don't fall into that trap. It's not necessary. Let the mic do its job and you do your job. If you played the saxophone, for example, you would not think of driving the sound into the mic. You would position the mic in the best place and then do your wonderful thing while the mic picks up your sound. If you played the piano, can you imagine directing and playing in a way that you want the mic to pick up that sound? No way. If you played the guitar, you wouldn't drive the guitar sound into the mic. You know that that would be counterproductive to your technique and the integrity of the instrument. Yes, the same goes for the voice. So don't let the presence of the mic pull you off your center and create an imbalance in your instrument. Because I want you singing for the long haul. I want you out there performing for as long as you desire. So these little adjustments that I've just given you, these shifts in mindset and beliefs, will keep your voice happy and healthy and you singing the songs you love. And I think that is a great thing. As we continue to share our voices online, be strategic with your mic practices. Have fun with these ideas. Please feel free to ask me any questions about the content of this video. And as always, rejoice in your voice. Bye-bye.